Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT 440 six-pack in beautiful plum crazy purple with a black bucket seat interior with a built 727 automatic transmission, a torque flight. As far as the production numbers go on the 1970 Challenger RT, you had with the 440 six-pack, you had 1,640 hardtops, 296 SEs, and 99 convertibles for a grand total of 2,035 446 pack 1970 Challenger RTs. So, not that many. It's a pretty rare bird, no matter how you slice it. And this one I filmed at my local classic car collector auction in Palm Springs, California, where I'm going to call this one the mystery car because I'm not sure what happened, but the car did not sell, but it shows on the results sheet as a high bid of $45,000. So seems like there's a number missing there somewhere. Something, even boxing the numbers, doesn't come up with a number for it. So it doesn't add up what happened. I'm not sure what happened to it. But the owner's comments were a stunning and true, capital letters, 70 Challenger RT six-pack car in a world full of clones and tributes. It's very hard to find the real thing in a sea of imposters. Here's a chance at the real deal. Beautifully restored and numbers matching, 1970 Dodge Challenger RT original 440 six-pack, completely rebuilt and detailed. Performance cam and performance ignition upgrades. Performance built 727 automatic transmission. Fender tag in place. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.